The Evanshow smart door lock knob offers true keyless entry with options like fingerprint, keypad code, near-field communication card, physical key, and app control, so you are not locked into a single method. Fingerprint recognition on this lock is fast and reliable once an administrator print is enrolled, giving you secure bedroom or front door access without fumbling for traditional keys. Through the Tuya-based app, you can create permanent or time-limited digital keys for family, guests, or deliveries, and review entry history for better oversight of who comes and goes. An automatic relocking function secures the door after a preset delay, which is especially useful if you have children or guests who sometimes forget to turn the knob fully. Installation is straightforward on most standard interior or exterior wooden doors of common thickness, with no drilling or wiring required and only basic tools needed. The compact silver knob design looks clean and modern while packing in smart features like silent mode and emergency power support via a portable power bank, so you can still get in if the internal batteries are drained.